Hello everyone, and welcome back to my Slow English. I'm Tom. I am very happy to see you today. Thank you for watching and listening. Today, I want to talk about something very important. This topic is important for everyone who is learning English. If you are learning English now, this video is for you. If you want to improve your English, this video is for you. The topic today is how to practice English alone every day. Many people ask this question: how can I practice English alone? How can I learn English every day? You are not alone. Many learners feel the same way. This topic is very important. Why? Because not everyone has a teacher. Not everyone has friends to speak English with. But you can still learn English. You can practice English alone, and you can do it every day. In this video, I will explain the topic slowly. I will use simple English. I want you to understand every word. I want to help you feel confident. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Share it with your friends. If you are new here, welcome. Your support helps me a lot. Learning English is possible for everyone. English is not magic. English needs time. English needs practice. English needs patience. If you work hard and do not give up, you can learn English. You can listen to this like a podcast. You can listen anywhere, at home, at work, on the bus, even when you are busy. Just listen and repeat. So, are you ready? Let's start our topic today. Why is it important to practice English daily? Practicing English every day is very important. It helps you learn faster. It helps you remember more. When you practice English daily, your brain stays active. Your brain gets used to English. English becomes a part of your life. You do not forget words easily. If you study English one day and stop for many days, it is hard. You forget what you learned. You feel confused. You feel lazy to start again. Daily practice builds a habit. A habit is something you do every day. When English becomes a habit, learning is easier. You do not think too much. You just practice. You do not need many hours. Even 10 minutes is good. Even 15 minutes is enough. Small time every day is better than long time one day. Daily practice helps your speaking. You feel more confident. You feel less shy. You start thinking in English. You stop translating all the time. It also helps your listening. You understand English sounds better. You understand people more easily. Making mistakes is normal. Mistakes are part of learning. When you practice daily, mistakes help you grow. You learn from them. Remember this: English is a skill. A skill needs practice. The more you practice, the better you become. So, practice English every day. Do not wait for the perfect time. Start today. Now we are talking about how can you practice English alone every day. You can practice English alone every day. You do not need a teacher. You do not need many people. First, talk to yourself in English. This is very helpful. When you wake up, say simple words. Good morning. I feel good today. I am ready for my day. During the day, describe what you do. I am cooking food. I am going to work. I am watching a video. This helps your speaking. Second, read simple English every day. Read short stories. Read easy articles. Read slowly. Do not rush. Third, listen to English daily. Listen to videos. Listen to podcasts. Listen to slow English. Listen many times if you need. After listening, repeat the words. Repeat the sentences. Speak out loud. Your mouth needs practice. Fourth, learn a few new words every day. Do not learn many words. Learn 3 or 5 words. Use them in sentences. Say them again and again. Fifth, write simple sentences. Write about your day. Write what you feel. Even one sentence is okay. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Practice a little every day. When you practice alone daily, you improve, slowly but surely. Keep going. And now, let's talk about making mistakes and not giving up. Making mistakes is normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. When you learn English, mistakes are part of the journey. Mistakes mean you are trying. Mistakes mean you are learning. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Fear can stop you. Fear can make you quiet, but speaking is important. When you make a mistake, it is okay. Smile and continue. Correct yourself if you can. If you cannot, move on. Do not wait to be perfect. Perfect English is not real. Good communication is the goal. Many people give up too early. They think English is too hard. They think they are not smart. This is not true. English needs time. English needs patience. You must be kind to yourself. Some days are easy. Some days are hard. This is normal. Do not stop. If you feel tired, rest a little, but do not quit. Come back the next day. Remember why you started. You want to speak better. You want to understand more. You want a better future. Every mistake helps you grow. Every day you practice, you get better. Slow progress is still progress. So keep going. Do not give up. You can do this. Now I'm talking about using English in daily life. Using English in daily life is very important. It helps you practice naturally. You do not need a classroom. You do not need a teacher. Start with small things. For example, when you wake up, speak in English. Good morning. How is my day today? Use English when you cook. This is rice. I am cutting vegetables. Say simple sentences out loud. Use English when you go outside. Talk to yourself. I am walking to the market. I am buying some food. This helps your thinking in English. Use English with technology. Change your phone or computer language to English. Read English menus. Read English signs. Use English in your hobbies. If you like music, read English lyrics. If you like sports, watch sports news in English. If you like cooking, follow English recipes. Even simple things are helpful. Label your things at home in English. For example, write table, door, chair on sticky notes. Every time you see them, say the word in English. You can also write small notes in English. Write your plan for the day. Write your feelings. This helps your writing and thinking. Remember, the goal is to use English every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes daily is helpful. The more you use English, the faster you improve. English becomes part of your life. Do not worry about mistakes. Speaking English daily is practice. The more you try, the more confident you become. Your brain will get used to English. Soon you will speak English more easily. So start today. Use English in your daily life. Small steps every day make big progress. You did a great job today. Thank you for listening and watching. Learning English is not easy. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes daily practice. Remember, progress is slow but real. Even small steps help you improve. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself only with yesterday. If you speak better than yesterday, you are growing. Motivation is very important. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? It could be for a better job. It could be for travel. It could be to understand movies or music. Keep your reason in your mind. It will help you continue. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every time you make a mistake, you get better. Every time you practice, you improve. Be consistent. Even 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour one day. Use English daily. Speak, listen, read, write. You can also listen to this podcast anytime, at home, at work, on the bus, even when you are busy. It is easy to learn if you make time for it. So keep going, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Remember, you can learn English. You just need time, effort, and patience. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing. You are doing great.